Hey guys, it's me again. It's me, Jacob, again with the family car. And if you have a GoPro Hero 5 Black, you know how great and fun of a little camera it is. It's got a lot of great settings on it. It's got touchscreen. It's got great microphones with really great sound quality. But you also know that if you put it in this housing that the GoPro Hero 5 comes in, it really degrades the sound quality and kind of makes you sound like you're inside of a bean can. A bean can? Really, that's the best you can come up with, a bean can? So here's a little hack I did to the actual housing to get better sound quality while using the housing. So the GoPro Hero 5 Black, it has 3 microphones on it. One here on the top by the record button, one here on the side above the power button, and then one on the front over here beside the lens. See that little notch out there? And these are all great microphones. On default, the settings inside the GoPro differentiate between if it's windy or if it's not windy. It has a wind filter built into it, so it'll switch between stereo mode and wind mode accordingly if you wanted to do that. But the housing here kind of covers up those microphones. The top one is covered up completely. The side one in the housing, they have these little slots that kind of allow for the sound to come in, but it still muffles it really bad. And then for this one on the side here, it doesn't cover it up this way, but it covers it up from the front. So the only sound that's coming in is directly from the side, so that can muffle it a lot too. So what I did, I got a power drill. So I've already done this. I wish I could show you a before and after, but this is just the after. I took the drill bit here. This used to be like more of a perfect rectangle. See this little notch out right here? That's what I did with the drill bit. That's where the microphone sits. Let me put it. Now you can see the microphone now. See the little dot? Before, that was completely covered up by the plastic of the housing. So I just took the drill bit here and I put it inside that hole, turned it on, and then pressed the side of the drill bit against it. You want to pop this first so you don't want to hit that with the drill bit. That'll mess it up. Turn it on and rubbed it against, that's it. Just kind of pressed it against it, shaped a little hole, and then picked off the little shavings. Now, when the GoPro's in there, you can hear the microphone a lot better. The mic on the side here, I did this. This used to be covered, and it had 2 little slots in there where I guess sound could come through, but it just sounded terrible. So I actually drilled a hole there. I drilled a little pilot hole right through those little slots, and then I bored it out. Turn it on, spin it around, bored it out, pick off the little shavings, and then did the same thing with the front here. You can kind of see where I chewed away at it right there. But that covered up the mic in the front, so I just took it, rubbed it against the side till it shaved off enough, picked off the shavings. Now the side mic hole you can totally see right there. That used to be covered. And then the front right here, you can see from the front and from the side. So you're getting sound from both directions. So that is my hack on how I customized the GoPro housing that came with the camera. A really good example to see it in action is this link up here. Click on that. That is my castnet tutorial. I was at the ocean. There was a lot of wind. I had it set to default mode, so it was going between stereo and the wind muffler mode. And I had it attached to my hat, and you can hear really clearly everything I'm saying. It doesn't sound like I'm in a bean can or underwater. I think it worked really well for me. Hopefully it works good for you. Check out our family vlog, The Family Car. That's who we are. No, stop it. You'll see a lot of examples of how I use the GoPro Hero 5 Black for vlogging. Be sure to subscribe and hit like if this helped you out. Also leave a comment if you have any questions, and hopefully I can help you out with that too. Have a good one.